Welcome to this breath awareness meditation practice. Thank you so much for joining me today. So to start, begin by finding a comfortable seated position. If you're sitting directly onto the floor, make sure that you have the support that you need, perhaps underneath the buttock bones. And if you're taking this meditation practice from a chair, just make sure that the soles of your feet are flat to the floor. Your spine is upright and tall, hands resting light to your lap or your knees. Just check that your head is centered, and when you feel ready to do so, let your eyes softly close. Take a moment to notice the sensation of your body in contact with either the floor or the chair, and allow yourself to arrive fully into this meditation practice, fully into this present moment. Let's now shift our awareness onto our breath. And meet the breath in the nostrils as you breathe in and as you breathe out. You don't need to change or alter the breath in any way. I'm just inviting you to observe your breath as it naturally flows in and out of your nostrils. Stay with the sensation of your breath in your nostrils for the next couple of breath rounds. Remain still and steady in your meditation position. And with each breath cycle, allow yourself to get a little closer to your breath. If you do find that your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the sensation of your breath. With your awareness on your inhalation and your exhalation, allow yourself to be fully present. Now I'd like you to shift your awareness onto the exhalation only. And just notice with the exhalation how it softens and releases any tension within the body. So bring your awareness to any areas that you might be holding any tension within the body. It could be your jaw, your shoulders, your abdomen. Use your exhalations to wash through the body, releasing any tension that you might be holding. Allow your body to relax into this moment, into this practice. Let your exhalations wash through and release any tension or any holding that you might be experiencing at this moment. And with each exhalation, allow your body to surrender and to relax. You may notice that your breath has naturally started to deepen and lengthen. And that's fine. Let's allow the breath to start to deepen and lengthen. So deepening your inhalation, deepening your exhalation. Continue to allow the exhalation to release any tension. Let the body relax into this meditation practice. Feel the spaciousness provided by the deepened inhalation. Meet the soft release provided by the deepened exhalation. Feel the rise and fall of each breath cycle, releasing any remaining tension. Letting this be the anchor into this present moment. Notice the quality of your breath as you breathe in and as you breathe out. There's no judgment, just observation of your breath cycle. Breathing in through the nose, imagine inhaling calmness and peace. Exhaling through the nose, visualizing releasing any anxious thoughts or tension. Inhaling calmness and peace. Exhaling any anxious thoughts or tension. Now, gradually bring your awareness back to the sensation of your body in the present moment. When you're ready, let go of any sensations in the breath, in the body, and gently open your eyes. Take a moment just to acknowledge the stillness and calmness you've cultivated in these few minutes, and carry this sense of calm with you as you continue with your day. This breath awareness meditation practice is now complete.